So recently, the OneNote educational account on Twitter posted a tweet showcasing an air rocket project that my engineering graphics class completed and how it integrated the OneNote Class Notebook into the project. The highlight reel that I created only scratched the surface of how I utilized the OneNote Class Notebook in this project. So I wanted to show how this educational tool was integrated throughout the entire project. And before I jump right into the Air Rocket project, I wanted to start with the fact that I use the OneNote Class Notebook in all 5 classes I teach throughout the day. I don't have enough time to explain right now how amazing this tool is and how it has truly changed the way I teach, but I will share how I use it with this specific Air Rocket project. So I created a tab for them in the content library, which I've also pushed out to all their individual binders. And within that tab, I break down the steps of the project through the engineering design process, and it really guides them through that process in a manner that really makes this project work. So we start with a basic intro to build some interest and ask some questions and get them to kind of research a little bit on their own and just kind of dive right into it. After they get excited about the project, then we do some history, science, and research, and this was the portion that you saw in the highlight video that I created. After they've done their research, they actually start to do some sketches of their rockets, and they actually have to insert them in here, which is a great way for them to submit their work to me and kind of grade their designs and give them some feedback right here in the notebook. From there, they'll take their sketches and they'll go into a program called AutoCAD, which is a drafting software, to do the layout of their air rockets. And I can give them instructions, criteria, show them some examples, attach some other documents right in here, and really, really lay out this project for them. And then from there, they go into construction and assembly where they actually color and decorate their designs after they've printed the CAD drawings, and then they assemble them. And then they insert pictures documenting their work along the way. As an engineer, it's very important to document everything you do, and OneNote is a perfect tool to do that. It's almost as if an engineering notebook right there for them to document all their work. Then they'll make something called a Clinometer, which allows us to roughly calculate the angle of the rocket once it hits its peak and kind of see how high it went. And then I give them some testing information. So actually I call it our liftoff day. And we talk about the actual valve that is used to launch the rocket, so we get a little bit more into that. And I give them a height data collection sheet, so that way we can collect data on the height of the rockets using that clinometer. And then after we're done, I like to always include some type of reflection for them to self-reflect, to hold themselves accountable, and to see if they didn't make it, because it's okay to fail, why, and if they could do something differently, what would they do? And then finally, the last thing that they have to do is take all of their data that they've collected, everything, all the pictures that they've collected, and create a short video highlight reel, kind of like the one that I made, and I use that kind of as an example for them. And then here I'm providing them with a rubric, and so that way they can be successful at the end of this project. And then finally, I will use the collaboration space for them to share all their work so that everyone can see each other's videos that they made. So it's really cool because a lot of times within my class they're on computers and you only see the person's project right next to you. You don't get to see the rest of the class. So the collaboration space has really helped me allow my students to share their work with each other. Again, I don't have enough good things to say, or I have more than enough good things to say about the OneNote Class Notebook, and I'm a huge advocate of it, and I recommend it to all teachers. And I would also like to just thank OneNote for developing the product, because it has made my life, I don't want to necessarily say easier, but definitely more efficient in the classroom, and I can really focus my time on the places that it needs to be. And if I could ask for one thing, I'm going to use this time to do that as well. I think it would be awesome if we could sync our calendar from Outlook into OneNote, and use that because it's great for maybe with deadlines and things like that. It would just be really cool if you could integrate that calendar. So I'm going to also add that in there as well. Thanks for watching.